My aunt heard a doorbell ring yesterday. Me and my grandma didn't hear it. My aunt lived in my basement, and she heard it from there. Me and my grandma were up here, upstairs. And my doorbell don't even work. I looked up about the doorbell, and it said about the asteroid bell. I think that was called. And it means that someone family or familiar to you, like family, is at peace and they are moving on to the afterlife. And one day I was in the bathroom and I heard a tapping noise. Now I tried to recreate it in the bathroom, but I couldn't. I tried on the walls, candles, and the floor, but it didn't work. I don't know if that was paranormal because people say, oh, how houses settle in. And my grandma and my aunt heard something in the attic around 3 a.m. I'm speechless right now. I thought they were gone, but I guess not. I don't know if the tapping and the attic is paranormal about the houses settle in. So yeah, I just want to make that quick video about what has happened. And in all my videos, I wear a plain t-shirt in my videos. So I'll see y'all when I make another video. See ya.